What's the plan?
We're here at Gretchen's parents' house to get the van. We have to exercise the dog while we're here and use the field. And then we went and picked up welding gas, welding wire, and hopefully we're gonna do some welding back at the house and some other work on the van. Whatever we can do, we'll just do it.
We'll do it.
We're gonna do it.
Yeti, go run. Oh, okay. Go run. Hey. What is this? All right, Vincent is out getting the van ready, unloading all the stuff. I'm in here making some breakfast. It's a van work day. We're gonna try to do the other side of the bed rail so that we can raise the bed up and maybe do the subflooring if we have time. Not sure. It's 11:30, just got back from Tractor Supply, getting fuel for the welder and getting the van from my parents, and yeah, so it's a van work day. Alright friends, what you're witnessing today is the unglamorous part of building a van. We haven't reached what I would consider more of the fun part. You saw me painting these. This is what our bed is going to be mounted on, and it's going to be like higher, so it'll be mounted on the frame of the van. These steel things, and then the bed will be able to be higher so that this will all, me and under will be storage. So one side's done. Vincent is currently working on the other side. Once that's done, we can work on the subfloor and the wiring, and then hopefully once that's all kind of done, we'll be moving on faster. The world needs to watch out because no judgment.
All the judgment. Yeah.
Okay, we're going skiing and we're gonna learn, well, they're gonna learn how to ski and I'm gonna teach them.
Woo!
And I've never taught anybody how to ski, so this is going to be a learning experience for us all. But here we go.
Yay.
Clayton, what are your thoughts? Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be a great day. We're gonna have so much fun.
Can I get that?
From Maine, can you tell? Okay, we just got coffee here in Camden, and quiche, and I got a muffin. And then we're gonna head to the mountain, okay? Let's give a coffee review. Good.
That is good.
Come to Zoot. Come to Zoot, okay?
Ready?
Yep. It's recording right now. Okay, children, this is how you clip other way. It's for the blog.
Whoa, which way? That way?
Oh! Snap, snap. Get with it. Okay. Contact me at 1-800 comedic relief. This is too much. You know, just a thumb press, just a thumb press. And a couple warm-up runs while they get the rentals taken care of, but it's not bad. I got some speed, so much fun. Keep the clear goggles. Mine, I think, are not with me. I think they're with Vincent and Gretchen right now. But it's so beautiful here, and lessons on the carpet. We got this. Okay, we just had lunch, and we're headed back out there. And how are you doing, Clayton? You're doing awesome. It's like honestly the perfect day out, and yeah. We all started on the carpet, and then Clayton went off and did the other slope here. And Jojo and I are gonna go hit the carpet just a couple more times, and then we're all gonna hit the big bunny slope. And then yeah. But I went up to the top earlier this morning, and it was so much fun. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. We're taking an afternoon chicken tender break. Clayton, any words?
's. 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 's.
How's everybody doing? Bad? Good? Wait, I can't see. Hold on. Oh, medium. Okay. Right there. I think. Let me see if I can see Clayton. Yep. We just got done. Everybody did such a good job. We're all so tired. And we're just, I got chai. You know, something to give us a little life after skiing all day. But it was a good day.
Thumbs up.